We're starting from scratch with 8 Canon SL1s. I already did the numbering from this icon here, cameras from 1 to 8. Going back to the dashboard, I'm going to take a first shot. And then we receive the 8 images. And we're not creating any video yet. We want to align first. So this little icon here, it's registration and alignment. You have one for every data set. So you click on it, and then you are in the registration and alignment module. The registration maps each camera in the 3D space, while the alignment corrects the images using those positions. So you do the registration once, and then you reapply it to all of your data sets to align the images. The registration is about the cameras, the alignment is about the images. Great. Now we're going to use the cloud to do the registration. That means that we're going to send our 8 images to the cloud, and we're going to get back the recipe. These are just text files. So I click on register and align, and that's sending 8 images. That process is taking about 25 seconds. So it's quite fast. And the reason why it's fast is because it's sending everything to a quite fast computer. The cat just woke up. She might be annoying. Okay, there we go. So we have the preview here with the 8 cameras in the 3D space and the preview of the JPEG. So on the left side, you see how poorly placed are my cameras. It's very bumpy. Doesn't matter. We have a perfectly calibrated shot on the right side. So just to prove my point, we're going to get back on the dashboard. I'll change my white balance just so we can see that it's not the same shot. I trigger the 8 cameras, receive all 8 files, and boom, they are aligned. So that's the final MP4 that we're looking at here that we can share right away.